How you doing tonight? Tonight I'm gonna show you how to make my favorite omelette. All what we need: green pepper, a spoon of tomato, some onion, 3 eggs, and 2 slices of cheese. That's all what we need. We need a touch of butter, salt and pepper. Let me show you how to scramble the egg first. Of course, the professional way to scramble the egg by one hand, like you see. 2 and 3. You break the yolk and give it to the spoon. That's all what we need here. We'll go to the frying pan. We see what's going on there. First, we're gonna add just about a tablespoon of butter. We'll let it melt. This we will use in a spray, non-stick oil or olive oil or vegetable oil. It makes no difference. But I like butter, give good flavor to the food. That's what I like about butter. Now it's nice and hot. First we're gonna saute our vegetable a little bit. Green pepper, tomato, and onion. Some people mix with the egg, so the egg is cooked, the vegetable is not cooked. I don't like it this way. I like to cook a little bit first, then we add the egg. We'll keep it for about 1 minute, 2 minutes or so. Let me see after 1 minute. That's about 30 more seconds. We're gonna see what's gonna happen next. It's getting soft and nice. Tomato, green pepper, onion. That's what you need for now. When it's almost cooked, you put some salt and pepper. And some black pepper. Look at this. Now it's finished. See, onion is starting getting soft, tomatoes cooked, green pepper is cooked, and there you do it. Remember, we have 3 scrambled eggs. Now time to It smells really good right now. Give it a couple of minutes until it's cooked. I want to save you time. I'll be back in 1 minute. Now the omelette is cooked from underneath and the top is little water, a little liquid. All what you do is you go to the corner and you nail it like that. So I get the other egg down all the sides. Now it's nice and cooked. All what you have to do is flip it. Make sure it's loose. It's loose enough. Check it like that. It's nice cooked in the top and the bottom. So you put your cheese. And you close it, fold it one time. This is how all your omelette looks like after we finish. Nice and toasty. All the vegetables cooked. It smells amazing. You can add some more salt and pepper. You can eat it with the home fries or toasted bread or whatever you want. I like it like that with some toasted bread on it. Enjoy it and see you next video.